What's up, sons? I'm Reese with the Reese channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get infinite money on Infinity Blade 2. Yeah! So first, you gotta equip whatever swords you have, like just one. I don't know, I just use this one, the first one, and then you gotta buy the Worn Axe and master it. So what you do is you scroll down to Solar Trends LX, scroll to the duel, and then what you do is you scroll, and then while it's on this, you tap the sell button, and then once it scrolls over to here, you tap the check right there. So here. So how look this is look at my money now. I have like 1,000,000 money now. So how this works is when you press sell right here, it scrolls over to here. It scrolls over to here when this menu's still open. So because it says 1,000,000 where it says buy down there, it thinks you're selling that for 1,000,000 gold. And you can just keep doing that over and over and over. It takes a lot of practice, but once you do get it, you can get it really easily. And you need to master it to sell it, so that's why you need to master it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment and stuff. Thank you. Bye bye.